All right, you want to hold him? You just wrap him up a little bit.
Baby?
Yeah, you excited?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay.
Be careful.
Oh.
Look at the little baby. Hold it, Mommy.
Okay. Is that your brother? Can you take a picture while you do it? Oh, you say hi, Jackson.
How that?
Look at Daddy and smile. Give him a kiss. Aww.
Aww. Be gentle. Oh, you're so gentle.
Look, isn't he cute?
Isn't he cute?
Say hi, Jackson.
Oh, you're so gentle. That's so nice, honey.
Give him a kiss.
You are. You're gentle. You want to kiss him?
Mwah.
Oh, you're so sweet. You're so sweet. Oh, don't touch that though, because that hurts him right now.
Hi, baby.
Oh,
Baby.
is he soft? Do you
You
love
smell
him?
good.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh. Oh, don't push on him, okay?
I think she's like, okay, I'm done.
You want him off?
Baby.
Yeah, maybe. You want him off?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go put him down.
All right, I'm gonna go get Gran hide and Grandpa.
Baby here.
You want him back?
Yeah.
Okay, be gentle.